Hello, my name's Mike M0MSN, and you may have seen, but I've built a 5/8 wave Gainmaster homebrew, which I've been asked to show some results of. So what I've done is I've actually got the original aerial, the actual manufactured one, on the roof, and I've put the homebrew version in the garden on a DX Commander, and I'm going to swap between on reception and a little bit of transmission as well, so you can compare the two. It's a little bit of an unfair comparison because the proper one is what are we looking at, 10 meters above the ground, so another sort of like 6 or 7 meters on top of that for the aerial, and the other one's on a 10-meter DX Commander to the top of the aerial instead of being 30 meters up or something. So it's not a fair comparison, but the best I can do. Okay, in the interest of trying to keep this as fair as I can, this is the DX Commander Pro with the homemade or the homebrew Gainmaster. I'm going to put some context into that. Okay, it's quite literally on a patio mount, compared with the real one, which is quite a lot higher on the roof. So what I'm going to do is flick between the two and see how the homemade one performs. Okay, this is the Sirio Gainmaster on the roof, and this is the homemade one on number one, which is not on the roof, it's in the garden. So I'll wait for him to come back again.
Auf den Boden. Ja. Das ist überall unterschiedlich. Du meinst, ob du zu arbeiten machen mit viel Maske und wieder der Potter und Kran dazu. Und das sind also 6, 7, 8 Leute auf dem Boot. Ja, und mit 2 Meter Abstand, oder schaut ihr alle den Mast an? 2 Meter Abstand, da bist du im Wasser. Ja, ich weiß. Du meinst, du kennst doch die Boote, das sind doch keine Boote. Ja, das ist bekannt, also kann man das hier auch nicht ganz...
Listen to this.
Talk for Will, with just 20 watts on a piece of coal fire.
Can't believe this.
26, Tango Charlie, 101. Yeah, we should be just on it.
It's crazy. Come on, guys.
26 Charlie Tango, 1316. Already good evening from the 13 Charlie in the
The bats are getting crazy.
naming all the Amos Wolf, W Ocean Lima Fox. Yorkshire White Fox. 10535. 13 Lima Radio separation. Golf Radio 15 on 535 535.
Giving me a quick sort of like 1, 2, 3 or something to see what the differences are between this and the other aerial, please.
Roger, you're exactly a 5 on that one. A 5.
Okay, bear with me and I'll switch over. And how about now?
Whoa, the width of the needle down, just the width of the needle. Sort of a 5, it's just the width of the needle.
Okay, mate, thanks very much indeed. Cheers for now.
Cheers.
It's a difficult one. I don't think there's that much between them, but I think the I know the commercial one is far better. The build quality is better than I could ever produce, and you would expect so for you know, they're a manufacturer. I'm a home brewer, if you like. Yeah, well, you make the choice. I still think, in my heart of hearts, for the amount of money that I've spent on building a homebrew, it's a reasonably good working antennae. I've also got 2 VNA readouts. The first one is the Homebrew Gainmaster, and this one is the commercial Gainmaster. They're not too dissimilar, I suppose. I think the commercial one's got a better scale. Anyway, the choice is yours. Thanks very much for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. If you don't like it, subscribe, and either give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Your choice. Thanks so much indeed. Bye bye.